We have here a Ultra Limited from 2014 with a 103 cubic inch twin cam fitted with a two-tone red color, tank bra as well as the lower fairing, with a helmet lock and a highway peg down here. Additionally, we also have these saddlebag guards, a nice touring seat, and a tour pack in the back featuring a tour rack on the top, two antennas, and a guard for the light as well. These exhausts are stock. These lights are really bright. It's got heated seats and heated grips with the ability to plug in an audio port here for headphones. It has 30,000, a little under 500 miles. It's got nice speakers both on the front end of the fairing as well as the passenger right here on the sides. Come on by, view this beauty yourself.